Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of vlogging with a look at the top 5 best vlogging cameras of 2024. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, finding the right camera can make a huge difference in the quality of your content. Let's explore the best options to help you capture your story. Number 5. Number 4. Panasonic Lumix GH6. For those who demand the best image quality and professional features, the Panasonic Lumix GH6 is a top contender. While it might be pricier, it offers exceptional video capabilities, including high-resolution recording and advanced settings. Key features: high-resolution video recording, excellent image quality, durable build, advanced features for professionals. The Panasonic Lumix GH6 is a camera for serious vloggers who want to take their content to the next level. Its professional-grade features and exceptional performance make it a worthy investment. Number 3. DJI Pocket 3. Next up is the DJI Pocket 3. This tiny camera packs a punch with its gimbal stabilization and impressive image quality. Perfect for on-the-go vlogging, it's easy to carry and use. Key features: compact and lightweight, excellent image stabilization, versatile shooting modes, user-friendly interface. The DJI Pocket 3 is a great choice for vloggers who prioritize portability and stability. It's Number 2. Canon EOS R50. Coming in at number 2 is the Canon EOS R50. This mirrorless camera offers excellent image quality and video capabilities, making it a great choice for vloggers who want to grow their channel. Its interchangeable lens system provides flexibility, allowing you to adapt to different shooting situations. Key features: interchangeable lens system, good image quality, versatile video capabilities, affordable price point. The Canon EOS R50 is a solid option for vloggers who are looking for a camera that can grow with their channel. Number 1. Sony ZV-1. Taking the top spot is the Sony ZV-1. This compact powerhouse is designed specifically for vloggers. Its impressive autofocus, flip screen, and dedicated recording button make it a dream to use. Plus, the image quality is outstanding. Key features: compact and lightweight design, excellent autofocus, flip screen for easy self-recording, dedicated recording button, high-quality image and video. The Sony ZV-1 is a versatile camera that can handle everything from travel vlogs to product reviews. There you have it, the top 5 best vlogging cameras of 2024. Remember, the best camera for you depends on your specific needs and budget. Consider factors like image quality, video features, portability, and your vlogging style when making your choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews.